The distance between an elite athlete and a trophy is the same distance between you and your next big dream. It's this distance. It's your mindset. Do you know what holds most people back from success? It's not a circumstance, it's not an inborn talent, it's their mindset. I know this because I have coached elite athletes, celebrities, and thousands of people who felt their dreams were out of reach. And I have seen miracles happen fast. Hi, I'm Florencia Andres, mindset coach, best-selling author, and founder of Lady Spark. Over the past 15 years, I've had the privilege of working with CEOs, entrepreneurs, top elite athletes, helping them achieve success, even in the most challenging situations, by using strategies that deliver guaranteed results. If you ever thought, I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, what is wrong with me, I need to work harder, if you constantly break promises that you make to yourself, enough is enough. Let's finally change your mindset. I've worked with thousands of the world's greatest achievers, and no matter where they came from, the people who reach the very top of their fields have one thing in common. They have a winning mindset. When you have a winning mindset, you can achieve anything you want in life. My job is to show you how. In my new quest with Mindvalley, over 14 lessons, I will teach you exactly how to install the winning mindset that every champion cultivates, using a 4-step process I call the GOAT method. In part 1, the golden mindset, you'll discover exactly what it takes to think like a gold medal winner. I'll show you how you can dream bigger, and I mean really big. Part 2 is building outstanding confidence. I'll share proven techniques to quickly develop unshakable belief and conviction in yourself, even if you've struggled with self-doubt in the past. Next, we'll unlock your authentic motivation, the type of motivation that stays with you along the way. And that's how I help people at the top of their game, and now you, to unleash a newfound sense of purpose and determination to achieve greatness. Finally, I'll show you how to take action with an unbreakable spirit of true grit. There's a way to replace procrastination and distraction with action and determination. Every GOAT does it. Now is your turn. I'm Florencia Andres, and I'll see you in my new Mindvalley quest.